Non-associated relic cards contain relics that are not associated with any specific players or events. This means the relic enclosed has no association to the player depicted on the card. And for example, a replica jersey or piece of equipment, these are typically the least desirable of all types of relic cards. Here you can see a non-associated team logo patch relic card of Shohei Ohtani from the 2023 Top Series 1 baseball set. Here's a non-associated jersey patch relic card of Victor Wembanyama from the 2023 to 24 Panini Select basketball set. Here's a non-associated jersey patch relic card of Patrick Mahomes from the 2022 Panini Zenith football set. And here's a non-associated jersey patch relic card of Kylian Mbappe from the 2021 to 22 Panini Obsidian soccer set.